Hey everybody, we're back with another box break. This time it's 2018-19 Topps Chrome UEFA Champions League. This has one autograph per box, 18 packs, 4 cards per pack. Um, these have... Soccer's really taken off recently, if you haven't noticed. Mostly the rookie card market, just like, any other card segment or sport. The big ones in this are Jadon, Sancho, and Joao, Felix. But you do have autographs in here of Messi and Ronaldo, albeit very, very hard to pull, obviously. But you also get at least 6 refractors, of which 4 or so of those are numbered. So there is good value in these. The prices have gone up recently on these boxes, but just so you know, they are available through the Topps website for, I believe, $63 a box, and that's where I got these. If you order them from any of the other online retailers, they're going to be more than that. So if you are interested in this product, go to the Topps website while they still have them. If you need the odds, let's see if this will focus up on the odds here. Doesn't look like it wants to focus. It's not doing a good job, so anyway, you can look those up online. Sorry, you're going to see the reflection of my overhead camera here as we go through these because they're so shiny. That's a base refractor. I'm going to keep the cards off to the side here so that the camera focuses. There, we've got a green, or no, sorry, that's a red. Numbered out of 10. 10 out of 10. Of, I won't even try to pronounce that, but that's nice. A red. Polish. Primary goalkeeper. Arsenal, AS Roma, and now Juventus. So that's cool. I have not pulled a red refractor out of this, so that's pretty nice. I know in baseball they're typically numbered to 10, so that kind of threw me off initially. It's a Harry Kane insert. There are 3 insert sets in this. Superstar Sensations, Future Stars, and then one other one that's kind of hard to pull. I forget the name of it. That is a purple. So you can see already we are 4 packs in, and we've got a purple and a red refractor and a base. So these deliver more than other sports in Topps Chrome. Another Superstar Sensation. Pulisic. Oh, the refractor was actually, it's usually the 3rd card in the pack, so I thought I had a Pulisic refractor there, but I didn't. And we got another colored one here. Hugo Loris, blue out of 150. So that's now 3 numbered refractors. Here's the future stars, Raheem Sterling. I think the numbered ones on those are pretty tough. I have not gotten one. I did open 4 other boxes of this product already, and I haven't gotten any numbered inserts. That's a base refractor. There's something in here backwards, so that's our autograph. There we got a Jadon Sancho base. That's nice. And there's our autograph. Ralph Farman. All right. A lot of not so stellar autographs in this. I assume when you decide to include Messi and Ronaldo autographs in your product that the rest of them aren't always going to be the best names. There's a Lingard future star, and that was a Lingard base right after it. Superstar Sensation, not numbered. Raheem Sterling, Weston McKennie, big US star there. I think his stuff's gonna start seeing some increases in the near future. Base refractor of Guedes. Another base refractor here. Rafa Silva, the Ox, and Timothy Way, another young US star. So we've kind of gotten all of them. Way, McKinney, Pulisic. We've gotten all the young US guys. Oh, there's a Joao Felix. Very nice. Got the 2 best rookie cards in this product between him and Sancho. Another feature star insert. And we've got 3 packs left. Neymar, Superstar Sensation. This is a 100 card set, by the way. The box only has 72 cards in it, so you need several boxes to complete a set. There's an upside down base refractor of Marcus Rashford. And last pack. Got a color refractor, Luka Modric. Purple out of 250. That's cool. Alright, so just to recap. Purple, base, Felix rookie, base refractor, base refractor, base refractor, Sancho rookie, the autograph, base refractor. Luka was purple. I'm going to put that down there. The blue up there, base, purple, red, base. So we ended up with a blue, 2 purple, a red, the auto, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 base refractors. Or wait, no, the Weston McKennie is not a refractor. So 6 base refractors. I pulled the Weston because, well, I don't know if that's his first card, but anyway. So 4 numbered, 6 base refractors, and an auto. So as you can see, pretty good value out of these boxes. and really don't expect that to come from the autograph. If you got one of these two guys in a colored refractor, I would pay for several boxes. If you haven't been following the market, just look up some of their sold prices, and they're going for a lot. So if you pull the right name in a colored refractor, you're going to do pretty well. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. We'll be back with another break soon.